Hey friends, how's it going? In today's video, I'll be sharing 5 things you can say to make a woman truly fall for you. Many men often wonder what they can say to make a woman fall in love with them. Well, I must warn you, some of these tips might seem strange or counterintuitive, but there's a very specific psychology behind each one that I'll explain shortly. Interested? Then make sure you watch this video until the end. The free content I provide on this channel is often better than what many so-called gurus charge for online courses. All I ask in return is your like. It's incredibly important. YouTube doesn't show my videos to a wider audience unless they see engagement from you, like sharing, commenting, and leaving a like. Your support not only inspires me to keep delivering high-quality content, but also signals to the algorithm that this video is valuable, helping it reach more people who need it. Can I count on your like? Take a moment to do that now, and let's jump right in. Over the years, I've found that when a man has feelings for a woman, he's more likely to say things that turn her off rather than make her feel attracted. For instance, when a man likes a woman, he often feels the urge to shower her with compliments. I get it, I've been there. But when it comes to complimenting a woman, 2 things are crucial. First, she needs to feel like she's earning the compliment. Instead of bombarding her with praise every time you see her, which not only loses its impact but can also become annoying, make it seem as though you are slowly falling for her. Like you're gradually noticing the special things about her. It's like she's winning you over day by day. Second, compliments are most effective when they highlight something unique about her personality, not just generic things like her looks or eyes. If a woman has stunning eyes, how many guys do you think have already told her that? Do you want to be grouped with those guys? Or do you want to go deeper and make her feel like you see and admire the real her, the part others don't notice? Here's a powerful technique I call the golden mirror. There are a few ways to use this, but here's a simple one to get you started. Give her a compliment directly tied to one of her dreams. For example, if she wants to be a psychiatrist, you might say, "You're really easy to talk to. I can totally see you being the kind of person people would want to open up to. I almost feel like I've already told you things I don't share with anyone." End it with something playful like, "Too bad you're such a goofball." To break the tension and bring things back to a lighter, more playful level. This prevents the conversation from getting too serious, validates something important about her, and sends a crucial message: you're the one doing the selecting, not the other way around. Before we continue, have you ever thought about sending just one text that could make a woman crave you instantly? Imagine a message so powerful it takes over her mind, making her think about you non-stop, even if she's currently with someone else or sees you as just a friend. These secret phrases trigger an obsession, leaving her excited and desperate to see you. But be warned, if you don't want her falling head over heels, don't use these. Ready to have her hooked? Click the first link below to download these magnetic messages and watch her count down the minutes until your next date. Women are what I'd like to call meaning makers, always searching for a deeper reason behind what you're saying or doing. For instance, if you show up to a date with a bouquet of roses and reservations at a fancy restaurant, the meaning she might attach is, "Wow, he's really serious about me already. Maybe he's not used to dating someone like me." This is why you need to be mindful of the meaning she might be attaching to your actions or words, even if you're unaware of it. It's also important to understand that the harder it is for a woman to decode your intentions, the more invested she becomes in trying to figure you out. I always tell my clients, if a woman figures you out too quickly, it's game over. Women don't want a sure thing or a predictable guy. They crave a mental challenge. Anything you do that's ambiguous and leaves her guessing will keep her thinking about you more. If you'd like to learn even more about these techniques, including how to advance things smoothly and subtly with a woman, stay tuned for the next video. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's grow this community and keep leveling up together. Until next time. If you found this video informative, please take a moment to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics like this, also make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Until next time, stay safe and awesome. Thanks for watching.